Every student brought their own iPhone, and after creating a script on Monday, we heard from Susy Botello of S. Botello Productions. She told the kids all about how to create films on their mobile smartphones for actually no money at all. And they used their scripts, went out, got some great films. I can't wait to see them.
I think what they would have liked best about it is that they got to just start making movies right away. When I'm teaching over the course of a full year, we spend a lot more time on learning how to do stories and then learning equipment and everything. But with a mobile phone, you can just grab it and start making a movie.
What are you here to do?
Film with iPhones.
Awesome. How are you liking it so far?
It's fun.
Yeah. My mouth hurts. Did you make your movie yet?
We finished one of ours, but we're making a second one.
It was great. I think you're enthusiastic, you're very knowledgeable, you get along well with the kids, you're very patient, and you have a lot of great information. And I think the kids really enjoyed it. They seemed like they were very focused and engaged throughout the whole process, all 4 days. And they were 5-hour days, so that's saying a lot.